Hello everyone. This is just for testing. So hope that you can hear me, guys. Nice to meet you once again. Actually, hope that our honorable guest will join soon. So stay tuned. And also, people definitely make your own research and also ask project-related questions. So otherwise, no rewards as I mentioned. So make your own research about hybrid and also ask a good question. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello, I can hear you.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you actually, and thank you for having here in White Scripture community. And also, I'd like to thank you all of our committee members. So, are you
Yeah,
ready to start?
yeah, I'm ready to start. Yeah, thanks for having me. But yeah, we can start.
Yeah, definitely. So, guys, stay tuned, and also if you want to learn more about the hybrid. So, I can say, first of all, that is hybrid is an EVM-compatible layer one blockchain that integrates a mixture of experts framework and also enabling easy creation and also monetization of AI agents in a plug and play approach. So I'd like to thank you guys. If you want to learn more, just make your own research and also stay tuned with the same session. Like today, we'll discuss more about their plan, programs, and also their user utilities and everything. So here is our honorable guest today. First of all, sir, could you please introduce yourself a little bit and also say about your experience? Then you can say what is your hybrid actually.
Definitely. Yeah, like you mentioned, thanks for having me, guys. My name is Cameron, and I'm the CEO at Hybrid. And yeah, Hybrid is, like you mentioned, an EVM-compatible layer one, but it's not just a layer one to see if we can battle Avalanche or anything, but it's really a niche chain, and we are building this chain to facilitate the creation of data layers. And we also incorporate a mixture of experts framework, so anyone can create their own AI agents with different experts that people have built, trained, and scaled. So yeah, that's everything in a nutshell about hybrid and my introduction.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. And also, guys, they have their website that is built on hybrid.com. You can make your own research. So, as you mentioned, like I also said about the mixture of expert, that is MOE framework. If you could share more detail about this and also how does this hybrid utilize a MOE framework within layer one blockchain architecture?
Definitely. So yeah, how it works is we facilitate indeed this mixture of experts framework, and this all consists of three different layers. So we have a reasoning layer that really understands what it needs to do and what it needs to do to process data. Then we have a data layer where people can upload their data. Other people can fine tune the data, and people can prepare it to be ready for machine learning and AI. And then we have an execution layer that can actually do things. So that can make smart contract calls on the blockchain, for example, which is something that we have built for our own LLM called Atlas.
Thank you for this, and I'm sorry, just about this. So as you know, the X is very very bearish on this. So yeah, like as I'm asking about like why you are different actually. You know there are a lot of layer one blockchain in the like crypto industry. Why you are different actually?
Yeah, I think I already answered this question actually, but yeah, so we are really a niche blockchain. So we are aiming to become a real ecosystem of data, AI experts, and even AI agents. So we're not here to take over any other layer one blockchain. We are here to establish one of the biggest AI ecosystems in the space. But yeah, obviously we're still EVM compatible, just so that other DApps can also easily build on it, and it's easy for us to both scale and launch our own applications on top of the blockchain.
Okay, yeah, yeah, got it. Thank you. And also, like as I said, like people, you can make your own research to learn more. So like they are very much scalable and efficient. They have their native Atlas AI model, and also they have expert and the marketplace they have right now. So as far I know, like your ideas is going to be coming. So could you share some detail about your idea?
No, so we can actually not share any data yet. What we can share is that what we also announced on our X and other social media platforms that two of our launch partners will be CDFI and ChangeGPT. But unfortunately, we cannot yet share dates or exact plans on this.
Okay, so I can select people. You have to follow their official account, like their Twitter and others handlers, to know more their future plan and updates so far. They have their like multiple languages in Telegram, so you can use these. So yeah, thank you for this information, Excel. And also, like as far I know, you're also working with the plug and play approach. So can you explain how your hybrid facilitates the creation and monetization of AI agents through its plug and play approach?
Yeah, sure. So how our ecosystem works is actually we obviously to build and train AI experts and both experts and agents we need data. So what we do is we have storage nodes, and in those storage nodes, people that have valuable raw data can store them in a decentralized way. And then there are users that fine tune this data and can then train it to become accessible to machine learning models and LLMs. And then from there, people can build their own experts in one of these three layers. So reasoning, data, and execution. And from there, people can who then want to build an AI agent, so a chatbot for a specific use case, can select which experts they want to use to then launch their AI agent. So, for example, if you want to launch an agent that um, knows everything and can do everything with Bitcoin, then you can simply select, for example, a reasoning layer or a reasoning expert that knows how to handle with Bitcoin and knows how to deal with the data, plus data from the Bitcoin blockchain explorer from the data layer, and then for the execution layer, it being able to make calls on the Bitcoin blockchain or anything like that. So then you can, it's kind of like plug and play for the people that built an agent from this.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. And also, guys, they are also 100% secure in manner. Like I can say, hybrid is designed to be the both secure and scalable and capable of handling increasing loads and complex operations without sacrificing any performance. So they are 100% secure. Actually, no worries about this. So yeah, sir. Thank you for answering my question. And also, like, could you share? I just want to know, there are a lot of challenges in the crypto industry. So how does your hybrid access the scalability and also interoperability challenges within its framework?
Yeah, so to answer this, I think the best way would be obviously we're launching everything on our own blockchain. So we have built this EVM compatible core for scalability. So it's highly scalable with over 10,000 transactions per second. Um, and we are now in the process of developing a multi-validator approach for the ecosystem itself. So how it works is we have validators that validate the blocks, but we have also got node runners that provide the storage nodes to host the data, and then other people that validate the data and fine tune it for it to be able to be used for these AI agents and experts. So yeah, it's very important for us that we have built this on the scalable core, and in terms of interoperability, it's EVM. So a lot of things in the crypto space are on EVM. So it's very easy for example, lending applications or DEXs to also integrate hybrid as one of the blockchains. Obviously, if there's a lot of volume on the blockchain, people will start building on top of it. So yeah, I think that answers your question quite nicely.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. And also, like I think, like you have your great team members, they're working together to make this project successful. Thank you. And also, if I talk more about your token, I can see here your token that is HYB. I can see the fueling of like it is fueling the hybrid actually right now. And also the coin is the your cornerstone of hybrid blockchain ecosystem. Could you share more about like, and also I can see you have the 1 billion of supply. The more utility of your token actually, like what can people expect in your token actually, and also where can people purchase in future?
Yeah, so in terms of token utility, we actually have a lot of things going on. So obviously, since it's a layer one, it will be used for gas fees and then also for rewarding the validators and delegators, securing the blockchain and confirming blocks. Also, important thing is the first LLM that we're launching ourselves, called Atlas, will be purely accessible by using the HYB coin on the hybrid blockchain through both subscription as well as pay per use. And in the future, it will also be used to reward node holders, both from allocation from the total supply as well as from transactions. So, how this works is in the end, when someone built an AI agent that is very well is an expert in a specific industry, then someone uses it, pays for this, and then we have a multifaceted system of people getting rewarded for this. So both the storage node holder, as well as the user that uploaded the data, but also the user that fine tuned the data. Um, so yeah, we have this huge system of utilities inside of the ecosystem. Obviously, also governance and staking, but yeah, we think we've done quite well on the utility side and hope to keep it.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So guys, like you'll get staking of empowerment through the token, and also you can access the exclusive atlas, and also there is some kind of reward and innovation for you actually. So yeah, thank you, sir, for this. So yeah, there is another good question I can. So like as you mentioned, the AI agents. So are there any specific industries or use case that could benefit the most, like from your hybrid integration of AI agents?
Yeah, definitely. So obviously we are still quite crypto slash Web3 focused, but we could also see this work for even for other industries, right? So since we provide this as plug and play as possible ecosystem, a lot of industries could use it. For example, healthcare, finance, or supply chain could benefit from this because they can simply create their own experts or even use experts from within the ecosystem, from within the marketplace, to then build an AI agent that they could use for their own end users. So it's quite wide how this could be used in the future.
Yes, thank you, thank you. So like as I mentioned earlier, like about your security a little bit, like you're very much secure, and also you had the seamless integration so far. So could you share more about your like security system? Actually, I want to know more about how does your hybrid ensure the security and privacy when dealing with AI agents and their interactions on the blockchain?
Yeah, so I already talked quite a lot about this, but Um, yeah, so the most important part for us is that we have this system, this dual system of validators. Or actually, it's more than dual because we have validators validating the blocks to ensure blockchain security. So we're working with the top validators in space, the top EVM-compatible validators in space, but also we provide these storage nodes. So all the raw data that gets used in the ecosystem is stored in a decentralized way. So these nodes will actually be available to both private investors as well as our community in the future. And they will host the data that will be used throughout the ecosystem. So I think those are the most important parts of securing the interactions from the AI agents.
Yeah, thank you. And also, guys, like hybrid listed on Carbon's tab, and also other token listed on the Carbon's wallet also. So just make your own research. As I said, like they have a lot of I can say marketing studies ongoing actually. So sir, I can see here you have done an event like in Dubai. I just want to know more in detail about this. Like, could you share this event experience, or and also what kind of marketing activity you have taken rather than this AMA and others?
Sorry, what was the question? It was about the events that we went to last week in Dubai or a marketing
Yeah,
agency.
both of like I asked two questions. If you like, first of all, you can say about the CD5 event in Dubai, and also after that, what kind of marketing strategies like you have taken actually to, like I can say, engage more community and also to expand your community all over the world.
All right. So yeah, indeed, we went to with our core team. We went to Dubai last week, and we visited a lot of different events around the Toga 2049 main event. We also went there, and we had a lot of chats with partners of ours, backers of ours. So it was quite good overall. And yeah, we also went to the CDFI event, which where we talked to a lot of different partners and even some investors from ours as well. So yeah, all was good and very great connections we made over there. In terms of marketing agencies, we are not really working with any. We do all of our marketing in house, and yet to be honest, we have not done a whole lot of marketing yet. So what we're currently doing is we have launched our Quest platform, which is on quest.buildonhybrid.com, and we have had our onboarding campaign over there, and people will be are still able to participate in this to earn hybrid points for the future HYB airdrop. And to give some alpha here, later today we are launching the second quest. So in the first quest, in onboarding quest, even 70,000 people joined, and now we're launching the second quest today with a lot more tasks in it. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and we hope to see you guys participate there.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Already described about your future plan so far. Like I can see they have the long-term plan in Q1, Q3 in 2024, and also after that. So like, could you share a little bit about like what is your nearest plan actually? Like, what kind of like plan we can expect from your side within 1 month actually? Is there any big announcement or anything else?
Definitely. So this week we'll have more clarity on how the exact ecosystem will work. So with both nodes as well as validators and how everything works together. And then we will also within a month from now launch the light version of Atlas, which took a bit longer time than expected, but still we're seeing some good progress and hope to launch late this week or early next week. So that's some great news. People can start using that, and they will also be rewarded for this as well, since there will be a connection with the Quest platform or quest.buildandhybrid.com. And yeah, we will have this implemented into testnet. So people will get rewarded for both testnet as well as using Atlas Lite, and also get a sense of what we were trying to build here.
Okay, yeah, thank you, sir. So, guys, like, make sure that you're in their community and also join their community and learn more about this. And also get ready with the best question. Like, if you have any queries, any question about the hybrid, so I'm going to take some question from the community. The first one is North. Hello, North. Are you there?
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes. Could you please ask your question?
All right. Thank you very much for the privilege. So, my question is still around Atlas AI. So, I get to understand that the model actually help provide devs with the ability to utilize driven data analysis. So, I know the AI would be using the data analysis analyzed as a kind of evolutionary process. So don't you think that would actually go against the privacy concerns of the users of this particular um, model or the blockchain as a whole?
So let's see. You are concerned about the privacy of the user, or the privacy of the blockchain. I didn't really get the question.
All right, so it actually says that the data analyzed by the Atlas AI would be used for evolutionary process. So I would love to know, isn't analyzing this data going against the privacy of the users?
No, that's right. That's actually a great question. Indeed, users can choose to opt in for this to have their data used for improving the systems. But to give some more clarity on this, the best way that this will be used will be mainly through ML engineers training the system. So it will not be this way that we're using the data from chats that everyone has with Atlas to train Atlas, because obviously then we would have a lot of privacy issues. But yeah, users can opt in to participate or not, and yeah, mainly will be trained through ML engineers trying around with the product.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Lord Rodrigo, for your answer. But make sure that you're in their community. Thank you. Next one is Julie. Are you there?
Hi, Michelle.
Yeah, hi there. Ask
Yeah.
your question.
Okay, so my question is how does hybrid plan to address potential regulatory concerns or barriers related to the integration of AI and blockchain technologies? And also, what measures has hybrid taken to ensure the inclusivity and accessibility of its platform for users and developers from diverse backgrounds?
All right, also a great question. Yeah, so what we're doing is we are building hybrid in an as decentralized as possible way, which means that it will be accessible by through any country that has access to MetaMask, for example, to create a wallet. So we are not a Web2 or doing any regulations on our side. We just run this in a way just as Uniswap or PancakeSwap does. And if you're eligible to go to these services in your own country, then you will also be able to access hybrid.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Julia. Next one is Beta. Are you there? Hey, Beta. Hey, Beta. Are you there? Okay, Clara. Are you there, Clara? Okay, so let me take another one. Yeah, Clara, ask your question.
Yeah. So, thank you. So, so what I want to ask is, how do you plan on, onboarding more users into your platform?
Hello, am I audible?
All right. Yeah. Thanks for your question, Clara. How we envisage to onboard more users into the platform, into the ecosystem. So most important thing is that we have our platform available right now. And like you mentioned, people will be able to access this through the Quest platform and even get rewarded for this. So we're looking to onboard as much users as possible into our platform, and by providing something that people will actually use for their day-to-day work in crypto for trading purposes, research purposes. We want to make it as good as possible, and keep people engaged. So that's the most important part. And then in terms of onboarding users into the ecosystem for custom experts and agents. Most important thing is that we work with industry giants for agents, but also with ML engineers training and fine tuning data to be ready to launch. So yeah, that's it.
Hello, can I ask my question now?
Sure.
All right. My question is in terms of your how widespread are you, or how in your ambassadorship program? Do you have any ambassadorship program currently to entertain wider space, like people from other countries that will support your project? Thank you.
So your question is if we have an ambassador program, if I'm correct. No, currently not. But we are working on something that allows users to already earn something from being active inside the ecosystem. Next to obviously that people are now able to go on to quest.buildandhybrid.com and from there participate in the onboarding quest and later today also the other one. But you will also get your referral link over there that you can share with others, and you will also get rewards for that.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Bella, for your question. And next one is the Bolivar. Hey, Bolivar, I think we lost him. So just give me a minute to find out another one. Jasmine, I think. Hey, Jasmine, can you hear us? Could you please ask a question, Jasmine? Hey, Jasmine, are you there?
Yeah, hello.
Okay, yeah, ask a question, please.
How can AI be used on your platform to enhance human creativity and innovation?
So how AI can be used on our platform to enhance creativity for users?
Yeah, yeah,
Is that the question?
yeah.
Well, yeah, I don't know if AI enhances creativity of users in general. To be honest, I think it's just I think it's an amazing tool that can be used for a very wide range of things. And what we're doing with this is mainly focusing on the data analysis part for Web3. Um, but yeah, for creativity, I don't know if you've come to the right place.
So, do you feel any limitations as regards to who and how AI can be implemented in the Web3 space?
No, so um, we are planning to make it as accessible as possible. So we don't really feel a lot of limitations. We just want to provide an as plug and play situation for people that build AI experts and also agents in the future. So we try to solve everything if there's a limitation.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Jasmine, for your question. So I think we are enough for now. It's time for wrapping this session. So I think we covered everything. But before this, do you have anything else that you wanted to share with us? Like any important news or anything else, any closing statement?
So any cool statements from my side? Yeah, I already shared some alpha with you guys earlier, but yeah, I would advise you to go to our Quest platform and get involved in everything we have going on, and then also keep an eye out on the socials, because yeah, we have a lot of things coming together in the coming weeks. So expect a lot from us.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Best wishes to your hybrid actually for the future. And also, people don't forget to join their community. And also, like they have long-term plan as I mentioned earlier. So stay tuned with them. And thank you, everyone, for having here for your time also. And thank you, sir, for your time also. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.
Thanks for having me, guys, and yeah, thanks for the time, and hope to see you all in the hybrid community.
Yeah, bye.